The Federation of Women Lawyers had petitioned the court to declare the Matrimonial Property Act unconstitutional. The provision in question is Section 7 of the Matrimonial Property Act on ownership of matrimonial property, which provides, among other things, that ownership of such property vests in the spouses according to the contribution of either spouse towards its acquisition and shall be divided between the spouses if they divorce or their marriage is otherwise dissolved.
It could give opportunity to a fortune seeker to contract a marriage, sit back without making any monetary or non-monetary contribution, distress the union, and wait to reap off the marital property. That surely is oppressive to the spouse who makes the bigger contribution. That cannot be the sense of equality contemplated by Article 45(3) of the Constitution.
FIDA says it goes against Article 45(3) of the Constitution, which provides that parties to a marriage are entitled to equal rights at start, during and at the dissolution of a marriage. They wanted the High Court to compel partners in a marriage to automatically share wealth acquired during the subsistence of their union on a 50-50 basis upon divorce.
Jurisprudence, and this was saying.
But the court declined to grant their prayers. Instead, Justice Mativo ruled that parties to a marriage in the absence of any other prearranged agreement are only entitled to their individual share of contribution to family wealth.
That repealed section does not offend any of the provisions of the Constitution as alleged, nor does the section contradict any of the provisions of the Act. Having so concluded, I find an odd that the petitioner does not qualify for any of the relief sought in this petition.
Further, Mativo held that the division of property does not mean that property will be divided equally, including to those who do not contribute. This is what the law says. FIDA wanted a 50-50 split regardless of the contribution. Part of the judge's ruling held that the law does not discriminate women because it also benefits and protects those who work hard and create family wealth. Ken Mijungu, NTV.
Thank you.